Hey guys, how are you? How are you doing? How are you feeling? Today we're going to do lots of things, but the most important thing we're going to start unit 2, which makes me really happy. This unit it's about house and parts of your house being at home. Before we start, can you tell me how's the weather today? Where you are? Is it cloudy or is it raining, or is it windy, or is it snowy like this one, or foggy that you can't see really good? Or is it sunny? I think it's going to be sunny, yes, because it's supposed to be sunny this week. Uh, and most importantly, how are you feeling today? How are you today? How do you feel today? Do you feel, I don't know, do you feel so, or do you feel happy, or do you feel sad, or do you feel angrier? Do you feel surprised, or do you feel crazy today? I'm feeling very happy because it was my daughter's birthday. So we celebrated her birthday with lots of balloons and surprises and presents. So I'm very happy, and I ate some cake as well. So yum yum. Good. Can you tell me, guys, what day is it today? What day is it today? Is it Sunday over there? Sunday today? Or Monday? Is it Monday or Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday? What day is it? Can you repeat after me? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday? Can you tell them very fast? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday? Try to say them fast. Good. Uh, Today when I'm doing this, it's Monday, but I don't know when you're seeing it, so you have to choose. Okay, let's check parts of the house. Parts of the house. Cool. So how do you call this part of the house? Oops, sorry, that's going really fast. What is it? This is the, what part of your house is it? Where you take a shower and you brush your teeth. How do you call it? It's the bathroom. There you go. It's the bathroom. The bathroom. Because you have a bath, right? Where you take a bath and you put water on it and you relax. Good? There you go. The bathroom. What part of a house is this one? This one. Where you have your bed and you have your toys and you have your notebooks and school items and you have your posters and you have your TV probably. How do you call this part of the house? Do you have any idea? It's the bedroom. This is the bedroom. See? The bedroom. There you go. How do you call this part of a house? What's this? What's this? Here you can find the sofa and the TV probably, and you sit with your family and you watch TV sometimes, or you talk or eat. Yum yum. How do you call this part of the house? Do you have an idea? It's the same as in Spanish. It's the same as in Spanish. We call it the same in Spanish. It's the living room. This is the living room. The living room, right? Cool. What's this? What's this? Oops, there's a hand there. There you go. What's this? It's the place, my favorite part of a house. It's the place where you cook. So you have the refrigerator, and you have the oven, and you have the microwave, and sometimes you have a little table with chairs, and you eat, and you have all the food in there. Sometimes there is the washing machine also there to wash your clothes. So what part of the house is this one? This is the, how do you say it in English? How do you say it in English? Key, it's the kitchen. The kitchen. It was the kitchen. Great. What is it? What's this? Now, not all of the house have this part. Okay, some houses do have it, some others don't. It's the part of a house that you find when you enter the house. So you open the door when you enter the house for the first time. You open the door, and there is the, how do you say it in English? Sometimes you put the like that. You have your jacket in here. See, you have your jacket in there, so you hang the jacket and your hat and the scarf, right? Here you can also find the umbrellas. If it's raining, you put the umbrellas there. Now with the COVID and stuff, sometimes you put your shoes in here. So you enter, you take off your shoes, and you put the shoes in there. So what part of a house is this one? How do you call this part of a house? This is the hall. This is the hall. Very important. The hall. So you enter the house, and that's the hall. The hall, right? Great. What part of a house is this one? My favorite one. I mean, I think it's everyone's favorite part of a house, where you can go and play and you find the trees and the flowers, and usually you run and you play games with your pets. So what part of the house is this one? The coolest part of the house is the garden. The garden, right? The garden. Good job. So we're going to learn more, and we're going to practice with a little game. So I hope it works. I'm crossing my fingers, so I hope it works. I'm going to send you the link so you can play at home as well, okay? So let's see. This is the game. So here we have different parts of a house, right? We have the bedroom here. Uh, we have the bathroom, the living room, the kitchen, the bathroom, the living room, the bedroom, kitchen, the garden, the living room, the bathroom, I think, yes, the kitchen, and the garden. So it's a game. You're going to listen, and we have to click the correct uh, picture in order to get to the end. So let's start. I'm going to show you the game, and I'm going to send you the link so you can play at home, okay? Let's see. Bedroom. Which one is the bedroom? Well, we have only one choice, right? Bedroom. Bedroom. Next one. Living room. The living room. Which one is the living room? This one or this one? What do you think? Which one is the living room? You can point with your fingers. You can point like this. I think that is, or I think this is. Which is the living room for you? I think it's this one. Correct. Very good. Kitchen. The kitchen. Which one is the kitchen? You have three choices. Which one is the kitchen? This one, or this one? The kitchen, where you eat and you cook and you cook. It's the kitchen. Yes. One. Correct. Kitchen. The kitchen again. Where is the kitchen? So you already know where you cook and where you eat and where you find the food. Correct. Bathroom. The bathroom. Which one is the bathroom? Do you remember which one was the bathroom? Where you have a shower and you brush your teeth and you wipe your hair. What's the bathroom? You look at yourself in the mirror. You can find mirrors in the bathroom. Congratulations, very good, nice job, perfect, good job. So let's continue. We did the game, which is great, and we win, which is awesome. So now, I send you an activity. So you're going to do an activity. But for this activity, you need to know people in your family. So this is mom. This is your mother, mom. Mom would be mama, right? Mom. Granny, granny. That's also part of a family. Or grandma, right? So mommy, granny. Dad or daddy or father, right? my father. Granddad, granddad. So this is granny and this is granddad, right? Brother. I have a brother. I have one brother. His name is Claudio. One brother, a brother. And sister. I have two sisters. Her names are Camila and Consuelo. Two sisters. Do you have any brothers or sisters? What are their names? What's the name of your mom? What's the name of your mom? And what's the name of your dad? What's the name of your granny? Of your granny? And what's the name of your granddad? Good job. There you go. So mom, granny, dad, sister, brother, and granddad. So the activity is very simple. You're going to do it online this time, which is great, easier. So you type. And here you have different members of a family in different parts of the house. So this is Toby. Toby is in the garden. He's playing with his ball. Granddad. Where is Granddad? Which one was Granddad? Granddad. Where is Granddad? Is this Granddad? Really? Is this Granddad? Do you think? No. Is this Granddad? No. Is this Granddad? Yes. So where is Granddad? Granddad is in the hall. So you write down hall. There you go. Mom. Where is mom? Mommy. Is this mommy? Think so. Is this mommy? Yes. And mommy is in the bathroom. Correct. She's in the bathroom. So mom is in the bathroom. So you write it down. Number 4. Dad. Daddy. Is this dad or daddy? Correct. That's dad. So dad is in the bedroom. There you go. Daddy is in the bedroom. Number 5. Granny. Is this granny? What do you think? Is that granny? Granny? I don't think so. Is this granny? Not really. Is this granny? Is this granny? Yay, that's granny. Granny is in the kitchen. There you go. And Ella, or the sister, Ella the sister, she is in the living room and she's reading a book, right? She is reading a book and she's in the living room, right? She's laying on the sofa reading a book in front of the TV. So Ella, the sister, is in the living room. Great, that's all you have to do. So you write it down in your computers. So this time you're using your computers and you're going to type in your computers. Good? No printing, no writing on your notebooks. Computers this time, okay? Good. I hope you do amazing and this sound seems easy for you. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much and hope to see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.